This is gonna be really cool if it actually works. And this is a makeup printer that is supposed to give me my perfect foundation shade. We're gonna try it out today for the first time and see if it works. So this is the BoldHue machine. It did come in this green box. I went ahead and unboxed her and started to set her up, which was basically just taking out the ink cartridges and putting them in. Kind of similar to a printer. It was fairly simple with the app that you have to install. This did come out a little bit ago, but it actually sold out and it just came back in stock. So right now it's on their website for $295, which is definitely a pretty penny. I did get this in PR, but this will be a brutally honest review, no holding back. So you get a few different things with this kit. You get the device, you get the charging cord, you get all of the different colors of foundation that are in here. You also get a beauty blender. This is kind of like a fun addition because this I think is like $20 normally. Then there is a little spatula. This little spatula has the brand name on it. I think this is meant to stir the foundation when it comes out. Last but not least, you get these little foundation jars. There are 2 of them in here. The bottom I think is probably glass, but this is what the foundation goes in. I moved my desk up so you can hopefully see what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and hold this down to turn the machine on. And then I have the app on my phone here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit start a new scan. It's gonna connect to my device. Wand low battery. So I guess you have to turn it on, charge the wand up. It says 30 minutes, so I guess I will be back in a few. I think we are all set, fingers crossed. I'm gonna start this again. So start a new scan and here we go. Activating wand, calibrating sensors, checking cartridge levels. Okay, remove the wand and wait for the glass end to light up. If it doesn't, hold the glass end near bright light. Okay, remove it. Wait for it to light up. Oh, it's light. Okay. Start scanning forehead, chin, neck. So let's do forehead. Nothing's happening. Let's try this again. Hang on. Because this came out a little bit ago, I have seen a few tutorials and people talking about the device, but I'm trying to do the best I can to just do like a first impression review. Okay, forehead. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to like vibrate or something. This definitely takes some trial and error, but I feel like once you have it, you'll be okay. Okay, remove the wand. Wait for this to light up. There it goes. Okay, forehead. I don't know, it's just not scanning. Okay, take 3. I think maybe it hadn't actually fully charged, even though it said it was charged. So let's go ahead and hop back on. I just want to use you. I think we're just maybe gonna have to let this charge. Like, you might see me on a totally different day. It's definitely been 30 minutes because I just had time to do my hair. Same day though, so we are gonna try this again. All right, we're gonna take this out. Forehead. All right, it's lit up. We're gonna go forehead. She's not doing anything. I really wish they had some type of like troubleshooting on the app where I could just be like, hey, this isn't working. And then it's like, oh, here's what you should do. Wand low battery. What is going on, you guys? It's a new day, and assuming all goes well, I think I needed to charge this overnight and fully boot up the device. So hopefully we're okay today. All right. Basically, like, we're starting over. I'm going to open up the app on my phone, hit start a new scan. Let me raise my desk up a little bit so you can see the device, kind of. Okay, start a new scan. Getting things ready. Remove the wand. Wait for it to light up. There it goes. We're going to put it on my forehead. Guys, why is this not... I feel like I watched so many videos of people doing this. Like, why is this not working? Okay. I'm trying different pressures. Like, I'm trying to do it lightly. And then also, like, push all the way down. Last time I was doing it, my chin was actually scanning. There it just scanned. Okay, let's see if it'll do my forehead now. Why won't it do my forehead? Let's see if it does my neck. Okay, I did my neck. Okay, let's see if it does my forehead. It won't do my forehead. I literally just think my forehead's messed up. Why won't it do my forehead? Let's just do my cheek. This is about to be not a video because I'm about to have to message someone or call customer service and be like, hi, this literally isn't working. Okay, pull it out. Wait for the light. Here's the light. Remove the wand and wait for the glass end to light up. Start scanning. Forehead, chin. Okay, we just got the forehead. That took a really, really long time. Now we're going to do the chin. Okay, got the chin. Oh my god, this actually might work. Neck. Oh, I actually can't believe that worked. Okay, I don't know what colors this is going to produce, but now we're going to return the wand. That was insane. That took so long to scan. I couldn't figure out, like, I was holding on my forehead for like minutes long. I don't know why it worked this time versus the other times, but we'll see. Okay, BoldHue is analyzing your custom shade. Here's your match. Great. Oh! Wow. That was violent. Okay. Remove the lid from your jar, place it inside, and close. Okay, make foundation. I think it's happening. Preparing. This is gonna be really cool if it actually works. Okay, I can hear the machine going. It sounds like a regular printer. Pause match. We've paused your match due to the errors below. So I think that it's saying that the yellow cartridge isn't in here fully. So let me take it out. Shook it, and then let's put it back. I mean, I think it's clicking. It's on the same level as the others. It's like kind of hard to tell. Finished making my match, so I assume now it's just going to dispense whatever yellow it needs. This is definitely much more involved than I thought it was going to be. I have a feeling that once you like get it and you're going, that it's kind of easy to use from there, but it's definitely a process. The fact that this is the second day of trying to use this machine, like, I am exhausted. Ugh! Fix the yellow cartridge! There's literally, like, what? Ooh! I'm getting angry. I almost wonder if it's, like, dried out. Like, I can see it a little bit in here, and I wonder if it's dried out or something. I'm gonna check, like, the red one. This is, like, open a little. I don't know. It's still saying on the app that my yellow cartridge is like having an issue, but this is what it looks like. I think that that's the yellow coming through. I almost wonder if it's like dried up or it went bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this and then we'll just try it out, I guess. I'm honestly like not sure. I feel like I did all the troubleshooting. There is an email that you can reach out to on the app, so that maybe is what I'm gonna have to do because I don't know why it keeps saying that. This is fun to mix your own foundation. I feel like a little bit of a scientist. Just mixing it up, the formula definitely feels pretty thin compared to some of my other foundations. And I do like that you get 2 jars so you can have like 2 different shades going, maybe for tan and not tan, or if you just want more foundation on hand. So apparently this is my perfect foundation shade. Let's give it a try. I'm just gonna use the spatula to put some on my face. And it's looking a little orange. Let's see what happens when we blend. I think I spoke too soon because blended, it's actually not bad. I actually think blended out the match is not bad. It definitely looked yellow when I put it on my face, but I use a lot of sunscreen, so my face is way lighter than like say my neck. But you'll have to let me know what you think of this match. I do want to compare it to a foundation that I use. So this one is one from Rose Inc that I use pretty regularly. And this one I would say is even like a light to medium coverage, but it is way thicker than the one that I just made. So that's the Rose Inc one. And then right next to it, I will put the one that came out of the machine. This is the shade I typically wear. This is the one that came out of the machine. The one from BoldHue is definitely like really, really liquidy. I'd say light coverage, maybe medium if you build it up a little bit. It definitely looks like slightly yellowish on here, but it's hard to say because this also might not be my perfect foundation shade. It does dispense a pretty decent amount of product, so I was able to do my full face pretty liberally and then still have some left over in this jar. And it's pretty nice that you could just put the top on and then save this for later. Overall, I kind of agree with some of the other reviews that I've seen out there. I think that maybe if you're thinking about getting this, wait and see if they come out with like a second version or some different formulas, because obviously all of these are one formula and it would be great if they had a full coverage one, a medium coverage one, or one if you have oily skin. I have combination skin and I definitely can see how this is a little bit dewy. So if you are on the oilier side, I don't think you'll love this. Especially for the price, I just feel like the technology is like almost there, but like it's not a home run, knock out of the park. But if it's something you want to try, like go for it. It definitely works because I got a pretty decent match on my foundation. So after a lot of struggle, that is my perfect shade of foundation and the BoldHue foundation machine. Let me know what you guys think. If you would buy this, if this shade is my perfect match, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.